Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox a $75 mystery box from Ultra Sabers. Here we go. So we're just gonna get right into it. I've been doing a lot of research on these, so every one I've seen gets me a little more excited each time. We're gonna see what we end up with. Packaging is pretty typical. Ooh. That's it. All right. So we got your package here. What do we got? Just your introduction to Ultra Sabers. Got your business cards. And the all-famous Allen key, because I don't have enough of these. Let's see here. Typical bubble wrapping from Ultra Sabers. Seems to help. I don't think I've ever seen anybody with damaged ones before. I noticed they're not doing their wrapping. They're just kind of putting in bubble paper and sending it to people. Ooh. Well, that is pretty fancy. So I'm not sure which hilt this is, but I do notice it's an AV button. That's an upgrade. No windows or anything. Alrighty. It's actually pretty fancy, I won't lie. So I don't think this has any sound or anything like that, but it looks just like a stunt saber. Let's see. Check batteries, make sure it's all good. Looks like everything is in order. I think I'm going to shut the lights off to show you guys what color it is. Alright guys, moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I was hoping for a green one. That is bright, holy crap. Yes. So that's actually what I was hoping for, was a black hilt and a green blade. That's pretty nice. I do appreciate that, Ultra Saber. I do plan on getting some more in the future, maybe even going down to Disney and building my own. But until then, this definitely will suffice. Alright guys, thank you, and stay tuned for more.